to DM Astrology. In the series of 2021, today we are going to see a large sign Pisces. Let us see what the Pisces people are going to see and face during 2021. Now, first of all, we see that to whom it will apply. A Pisces wording comes as a the, D, then CH and Z. So those having name with the D for the Deepak like Ch like CH and Z, that is Z, Zenith. So they will be applied in this video. Those having a moon in the Pisces, they are also applicable under this video, and those having the Pisces ascendant, they also come under this video. So all the people with the Pisces moon and Pisces ascendant will come under this video, and let us see how they will be going to happen this year 2021. Now those having a Pisces moon will get this result emotionally, mentally, and those having this as an ascendant, they will be going to have this result actually and physically. So let us start how the Pisces people sign get the result 2021. Now the Pisces sign is a very emotional sign. It's a very flexible sign, very unpredictable and emotional sign. And the ruler of this sign is Jupiter, we all know. And as we know that Jupiter is going to have a good place in this year, so it will be not going to have the problem for them. As we know that Jupiter is creating the Neecha Bhang Raj Yoga. Although it is a double-headed sign, but it is creating Neecha Bhang Raj Yoga. And due to the Neecha Bhang Raj Yoga, they are going to get the good result during this year. Right? So, these people, as their Jupiter and Saturn being an ascendant lord, it will be going to be in 11th house, and for certain period in the 6 month between that period, the Jupiter is going to have in 12th house. So there will be a two different phase they will be going to happen in this year. Let us first discuss how they will be going to have their result in first phase. Now in the initial sign that Jupiter will remain in the Capricorn itself, and Capricorn, it will be Neecha Bhang Raj Yoga and Adhyatmic Yoga in the 11th house. So during that period, health wise, they will be safe. They are not going to face any problem, as the Jupiter is also very powerful and Saturn is also very powerful. So Jupiter and Saturn both will be connecting and giving the good result. So no worries about the health. Not even a new disease or not even the old disease going to make you suffer. But when Jupiter will be transiting on this 6th of April to 22nd of September, it will be not so good, as your Jupiter will transit 12th house. It will be Atichari, it will be a retrograde, and so much fluctuation of a Jupiter will be there during that 6 month phase. So during that period, you have to be very careful and cautious about your health. As the ascendant lord plays as like Aquarius, your ascendant lord also will be going in the 12th house. During that period, some deficiency will be attracted. Not I am saying a disease, but kind of a deficiency it will be created in your health. So you have to be very careful during that period, and has to be taken more extra care about your health prospect. About the disease, we will see in the disease area, but health wise, you are totally good. Only between the April to September, you have to take an extra care about your health. Going further to the finance level, how the finance and relationship or family wise you will be going to get the result this year. Let us see. See now in the second house, in your second house, there is no much movement. So you will be not going to face anything related to the financial problem. Even not a financial worries and not even a financial benefit. It will be an average year for the finance. No, nothing new will happen. You will be in routine, and financially whatever you are expecting you are getting. You are not getting anything extra, or you are not going to lose anything. So financial wise is an on average, not so better, not so worse. Same related to the relation wise also, not to expect anything more from them. It will be an average. You will be finding something average with them, and you will be going to get some benefit from them, but not totally depend on them and not getting good or you have to perform more for them. Relation, family and finance is on average stage, not improving, not reducing, stabilize. The more important thing is a Rahu in third house. That is the best placement of a Rahu in your case. So Rahu plays very well in third house, exalted. So whatever the new venture that you wish to start, this is a time where you can start anything new. Traveling, okay, or anything a new venture, new experiment, new work, that will be flourish. So do concentrate on any new work, you will be benefit out of it and getting good result. Best time for that. So new venture, best time. Moving further for you as a wealth, we will see what about the wealth you will be going to attract during this period. Related to wealth wise, it's an average year, but you can go for the new property. Even though it is an average time for finance, but you can do for the new venture in the property. You wish to purchase a new property, best time. You wish to improve the present property, renovation or redoing the work, best time. So related to property, you are safe. You're going to happen hedging, selling old and buying new, or buying new, renovating. So related to the an average cost you can incur, and property wise it will be somewhat better situation than earlier you will be getting. So obviously this is the right time for going for the property wise, and especially when the April to September the Jupiter in 12th house will give you good result as it aspect the 4th house. So related to car, related to the jewelry, related to wealth, you can try to improve by your average efforts. Related to the education, what will be happening in the education sector, that basic education will be good. You will be going to have a good education. Whatever you have planned for your education, result, efforts, just focus on it and you will be achieving. Either you are in 10th class or 12th class or in degree, you will be getting your desired result. So do focus on the education, and those who are planning for the higher education also, it is a time that you may be going to get a good result, as the Jupiter Saturn will be aspecting your 5th house entire year. So for if you are planning for the higher education, there also it will be successful story for you. So go for the higher education and get the good result, and in normal education also you will be finding your own result. Whatever the efforts you will be putting, you will be getting that result and getting good result of your education, higher education. Focus on the education, good time. Related to the children, if you are planning for the children, entire year is good for you. Whether Jupiter remain in the Capricorn or not remain in the Capricorn, you will be blessed by the child yoga. So if you are plan with the starting or beginning of year itself and get the result within this year, and those getting the child will also get the good Raj Yoga of a Jupiter Saturn Neecha Bhanga Raj Yoga. So do plan accordingly and succeed it. So if we are planning for the children, just go ahead and get the desired result. Yeah, if you already have a children, then you will also do some better thing for them. You can make them improvement. You will find some improvement in their education, in their career prospect, or you can make them facilitate them to the foreign study or higher study. So best time for the children and best time for the child yoga, so that you can pursue without any problem. Related to the disease, when we are talking, so disease wise, as the Jupiter will transit in your 12th house, it will create deficiency, and by that Jupiter is aspecting the 6th house, it may give you some problem in the larger section. So if you have some small issues in your health related or related to the disease, it will make something into the bigger sense. So you have to be very cautious and you have to be aware that what things are developing inside you. Okay, so related to health or related to the disease, there is only the awareness has to be created and nothing should be suddenly should pop up. So that you have to take care about it. Talking about job and career. See, job wise you are secure and you will be getting good benefit out of it. So you don't have to move out. Stay there where you are working and get a better result. So you don't have need to move to the further job. You will be stay there in the present job and get the improvement. In business and profession, yes, I may say that you should take a call of improvement, development and growth in your present business by adding some additional work. Or in profession, you can start some consultancy work during this period, as a Jupiter being the 10th lord is placed well in the 11th house, you may gain something extra. So for job, okay, remain with the present job, no need to change, you will get a growth, financial benefit within that job only. But related to the business, commercial activity or your profession wise, you must improve something and get a good result. So that is very essential, very needed for you, so you can go ahead about it. Related to the marriage, when you are focusing on the marriage prospect, yes, this is a time where you will be getting some good calls. Do continue your communication with the opponent party or spouse. If you are into the love and affair, that is also a good time to express your love and affair and get the desired result. You may get some confirmation from the opposite party which is not concerning or giving the consent. So yes, for love affair also it is a good successful, as well as about your marriage proposal, your spouse also you will get a good response and getting the marriage during this period. Although if you are already married, your marriage life will be smooth. If at all any problems are there, situation are not good, you will find good way out to make it amicable settlement and try to get the good result from your marital life. So do try this year and try to patch up all your problems and enjoy with go along with that together for long term. So marriage wise also it is good, that's not causing any problem. Related to social and friend circle, if you are focusing on social and friend circle, yes, this is a year you can come out with the good ideas with the social friend circle and there will be some improvement, some growth in your that circle and you will be benefited. So do work out some social events, do work out some outing, some social, even in social media if you are trying also you will be getting success. So you involve in the social media activity, you will be benefited out of it and getting good result out of it. So friends and social will be very helpful, you will be get a good result from that. Related to the expenses or expenditure, yes, during the April to September when Jupiter is going to 12th house, you may incur some heavy expenditure. May be expected, may be calculated, even a social or something family related, some investment may occur. So you may be spending something for your own self only, you are not spending just out. So either a property, either some social, religious or something related to the family expenditure you will be meeting. And simultaneously you can plan about your investment also, and investment wise also you will be getting good result. So investment as well as your expenditure, both you have to manage and balance accordingly so that it won't go up or down. Related to the litigation, if you already facing some litigation, you will find some way out of it. So related to the litigation, you may come out with some amicable settlement or come out with some solution. So better approach the opponent party, do consider their offers and try to settle amicable settlement. If you are planning for a new litigation filing, then just try communication between them and try to solve your problem without going to the regular mode of a litigation. So better you should settle your matter by your own self, by mediator and get peaceful time. That is good and very essential for you. Related to the spirituality and religiousness, yes, religious wise, you'll be involving in so many social and religious activity, maybe visiting or planning for the visit to the temple or pilgrims or any religious endowment or worship place, so that it will be continued. Related to the spiritual connectivity, you will find during this retrogression and hyperness of a Jupiter in the 12th house. When Jupiter moves, that time you will get some guru, you may get some mentor, and you will find that your pathway is super, and you will be getting some support from the mentor, and it is in the improving state. So spirituality wise and religious wise also, it's a better time to focus and concentrate over it. Lastly, the name, fame and recognition. What kind of a name, fame and recognition you may be getting, it's very positive. So do continue your present work, and whatever the work you have done earlier, that will be paid off. So name, fame, recognition will be continuous throughout the year, and you may be getting good position, or you may be elevated to the super position what you are desiring. So name, fame, recognition is there. Position wise also it is improving, so nothing worries about it. Now lastly, we talk about the remedy. What remedy you should do so that you get a good year ahead? Yes, distributing the sweets, meeting the people, visiting the temple. These are the good remedies you can do. But do distribute the sweets, either a chocolate, either a sweets or anything, to a religious place, to your social place, to a temple, or wherever you visit. So by distributing the sweets, you will be also gain health wise and wealth wise. That is a remedy for you for the year. So whenever you get an opportunity, try to do this and get a good result. So this is all about the Pisces people for 2021, and what you have to focus, what you have to act upon it. You have to decide now and plan accordingly for the year. So this video is the information about the Pisces moon for the yearly prediction 2021. For more information, you can connect with me in my WhatsApp number given below, as well as you can for consultation also you can communicate with me in this WhatsApp number. And do visit my website www.dm-astrology.com or Facebook or Instagram. So everywhere my information is already been shared in the chat box also. So you can do connect with me with the DM Astrology as a Dharmesh Mehta. So I pray to God that you all will get a good year ahead by health, wealth and happiness. Namaste. Thank you. God bless you.